Wouldn't it be nice to save a couple of seconds or even minutes from searching the app that you use in order to plan your day? Well, with this shortcut, you can. First thing we're going to do is download an app called Macrodroid. What is Macrodroid? Macrodroid is an Android automation app. It helps you automate tasks from your smartphone or tablet with a bigger, friendly UI or user interface. You can fully automate tasks with a few taps. Similar to Tasker, this is more friendly for beginners. Once your app has downloaded, you need to open Macrodroid. And we're going to decide on what type of shortcut we would like to make. So for me, I'm going to just name this to keep, just for short. And now we're going to start with our first section right here, which is a trigger. This is what will launch the app. Our trigger that we want to add to Penly is through URL, because Penly can do hyperlinks. And here we can see that they have Webhook URL. That's what we're going to use. What is a webhook? A webhook uses Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or HTTP, to communicate the occurrence of an event in one system to another. So this will let your Macrodroid know from anywhere in the internet using the HTTP hyperlinks, just like this one, to launch your app. So for this identifier, I'm just going to type in keep for Google Keep. You don't have to do the same. And this link that they give you, this is specifically given to you for your device. I like to make it short, so I'm going to copy the short one. Now for your actions, you want to launch the app. So let's go to Applications, Launch Applications, select the application. You can technically choose to do any other cool thing that this Macrodroid can do. But for my case, I would like to open Google Keep, please. Force New means it creates a new window instead of opening your recently opened. And zero constraints. Let's try that. And now we're going to save changes. And now we're going to test the action that we just did. Test a macro. And it opened my Google Keep. So this link should work in Penly. Let's go back to Penly and test this out. So this is where I want to put my Google Keep link in this cute little icon that I made for Google Keep. So you're going to select it, click on the hyperlink symbol, and add your URL. Now let's test this out. Click on it, click open, and it launched my Google Keep. Great. There's something I did forget to mention on a side note. Because the URL given to you from Macrodroid is a unique URL to your device, please make sure that no one else can access that URL. So for those of you who were thinking that you could sell this, you can't really do that because it's set to your device only. So here's an example. I have opened the planner on my phone, the same planner, with that same URL. Let's say you open that URL, it will only open that macro on your tablet, on the device that you set your macro on. Because each URL that Macrodroid gives you is specific to that device only. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any other questions on how to do this or how this works, please leave me a comment and like this video and subscribe. I'll see you next time.